Hi, Meg of This Mess Is Ours here, and today I wanted to come into your kitchen and I wanted to talk about one of my favorite summer treats, Caprese salad. So I live in the South, I live in Atlanta actually, and it's the home of peaches. So today I'm going to show you how to do a little southern twist on caprese, and I'm going to show you how to make perfect tomato slices. Let's do it. Okay, so let's first talk about the ingredients you're going to need to make a wonderful caprese salad. Traditional caprese, like I have here, tomatoes, mozzarella, and then basil. That's traditional caprese. You top it with a balsamic vinegar, some olive oil, salt and pepper, call it a day. The only addition on this one is I'm adding freshly sliced peaches, and I do swap out the vinegar, so we'll talk about that. All right, first, let me tell you how to get perfect slices. Caprese, the superstar of the dish, is the tomato, and you want super thin slices that are perfectly uniform every time. And the way that you do that is actually a little surprising. It's your knife. Check this out. You want to use your bread knife to cut an heirloom tomato or like a beefsteak tomato. These tomatoes hold up to those serrated teeth. Watch this. You get perfectly thin or thick slices of tomato every single time with a serrated bread knife. If you don't have one of those, you can use a regular chef's knife. Just make sure that you use one that's super, super sharp. A tomato has a really thin skin and a soft flesh inside. So if you're using a dull knife, you're probably just gonna macerate the fruit inside before you actually cut through. So if you don't have a bread knife, slice up your tomatoes with the sharpest, smallest knife you have. You can use any tomatoes for a caprese. You could even use little cherry tomatoes. You could just have those like that and throw them on here. All right, so let me tell you how I'm topping this southern inspired peach and heirloom tomato caprese a little differently. So all I've done is just sliced up some tomatoes that I had on the counter. You can use any color, any type. I sliced up about 8 ounces of mozzarella and just tucked them all in together, topped it with peaches and fresh basil from the garden, which is my favorite thing. And now just whisking together with a super cute tiny whisk, a little white balsamic vinegar and really good quality olive oil. The flavors in this salad are gonna shine through, so you wanna use the best quality ingredients that you have. All right, so now right before you serve, you can slice all this up, pop it in the fridge for a little bit till you're ready, and then right before you put it on the table, you just wanna drizzle it with this white balsamic vinegar and olive oil dressing. Top it with a little super flaky sea salt. Maldon salt is my favorite. It's these nice big flakes. See if I can get some close and you can see it. See that? Yeah, really big. All right, so nice big flakes of salt really bring out the juices of the tomatoes and the peaches. And then I always like to add a little cracked pepper because that's my jam. I mean, you gotta have pepper on your tomatoes. That's it. That's it. Super delicious, super beautiful, southern inspired caprese for your family or yourself any day of the week. Enjoy.